Dear students, today we'll discuss the program in Python. The aim of the program is write a program to implement operations on stack. Already we know the stack that we have studied in the data structure, but once again we'll remind it here. Stack is a linear data structure which follows particular order in which operations are performed. The order may be a last in first out or first in last out. But basically last in first out we are using it. Mainly the following three basic operations are performed in the stack. One is your push, second is your pop, third is your pick or top, and fourth is your empty. Push add an item in the stack. If the stack is full, then it is said to be an overflow condition. Pop removes an item from the stack. The items are popped in the reverse order in which they are pushed. If the stack is empty, then it is said to be underflow condition. Peak or top returns the top element of the stack. Empty returns true if stack is empty else false. For example, we have this data structure stack insertion and deletion happen on one end and it has been removed from the same type. How to understand the stack practice? There are many real life examples of the stack. Consider example of the plate stack over one after the another in the canteen. The plate which is at the top is the first one to be removed, that the plate which has been placed at the bottom position remains the stack for the longest period of time. So it will be simply seen as follow or the order. Operations on the stack are push, pop, empty, peak and all, whereas the time stack is of zero time. We do not run any loop in order of these operations. What are the application of this? Application is your balancing of symbol infix to postfix conversion that was studied in the data structure. These are most common which we are using. Redo undo features like a data Photoshop, forwarding, backwarding features in web browser used in many algorithms like Tower of a Night, tree traversal, and stop and span problems, histogram problems. In the graph like topological sorting and strong connected components, these are the applications where it is used. Implementation, it can be implemented through things by using an array and using a linked list. Here we will implement it by using a list. Simply use the two programs. One is your stack program, stack class, save it as the stack.py. Here we will write an operation of everything. And second, here we will use the stack class using stack class of stack type program. That's why we will write here from stack import stack. First, we'll write a program. Write a program to perform following operation: push, pop, peep, search, and exit. Class stack. One class is implemented. We'll save the program as stack.py. Class stack colon means here we are using the classes as object in programming. Def underscore underscore init underscore underscore self. This is the constructor we have made. Self.st is equal to singular brackets. Here we are making a list. Def is empty self, then return self.st is equal to null, means nothing will be there inside to check if it is empty. Then def push self comma element self.st.append. Here append is the method belongs to your list class, list data type. Then whatever the elements are running, it will be added. Pop, if self dot is empty, it will check this one. If it is empty, return -1. Else return self dot st dot pop. What is there at the top? It will return it. Def peep self n is equal to length self.st. Here we will find the length of it, and then return self.st length st and -1. Whatever the data is there on the -1 location, it will be written. Then def search self comma element if self.empty. If it is empty, then it will return -1. Otherwise, inside the try and except, we have always studied what is the meaning of try and except. If the error occurs here, it will be written inside try and it will be called inside the except block. Self.st.index element, then whatever the index of the element is there, it will check it and return length self.st minus, and then index will be written. Then finally display. Return self.st will display the content which are available, all the content. Finally, we are importing a class from stack import stack. We are importing the stack class. S is equal to stack, creating an object of the stack class. Then choice is equal to 0, initializing it. While choice less than 5, while choice less than 5, it will perform a continuous operation. Our operation are push, pop, keep, and search by with choice in integer. Enter your choice. You are accepting the input as integer. If choice equal to 1, element int input, enter the element s dot push element, then this push method will be called, and here the data will be added. Then elif choice equal to 2. If the choice is true, that is a pop the element s dot pop will be called, that this method will be called, right? If element equal to -1, if it returns suppose -1, it will return it. Then it will say that stack is empty, else it will pop the element, whatever it will be written here, it will be popped. Else choice equal to 3, element s dot keep, the keep will be executed, that is this part, and it will print the element. Else if choice equal to 4, element enter the element which you want to search element, search method will be called like this one. If it returns -1, then stack is empty, else position is equal to -2, element not found in the stack, else it will print the element is found, and that whatever the particular position is there, it will be written. Else part, if it is anything else is zero like a5, it will break your program. And after performing every operation, it will display the list print stack as dot display. It will display your list, that is this method. Every time the content will be displayed. Whenever you will run the first program that you made, you haven't got get anything as in the output. Only if there is an error, it will display the error. Otherwise, it will return it. In this way, there is no error. Right? Whenever you run the second program, going to run the run module here, it will show you the options, push, pop, etc. Suppose we are entering at 1, enter the element, suppose I am entering at 55, then the stack contains only 55. Once again I will enter the other element, that is 66. 66 is entered, now it has 2 elements, right? Suppose you want to pop here, again for the second option, pop, then 66 is pop, which is inserted the last one. Then once again suppose I am entering it as 1, here I am entering at 77, right? It contains 57, 77. We will execute the third statement as keep. Keep, it will return that 77 is on the top. Search. Fourth, if you are hunting a fourth, suppose you want to search an element 55, 55 found at position 2. If I will press it as 5, it will execute your program. In this way, the program will be executed. Hope you understood the program. Thank you.